Kids love mac and cheese. They love it because it's easy to eat, it's pretty, it tastes great. There are 3 basic tricks to making really cool, creamy mac and cheese in the same way that you would have it would come out of the blue box. First trick is to mix in some cornstarch with the grated cheese. That's a real insider's trick.
That's 2 cups of grated cheddar and 8 ounces of cubed American. And it's tossed with the cornstarch. Teaspoon of mustard powder, along with another teaspoon of hot sauce. That gives that little zing the kids like so much. Heat.
The second thing to do is to use evaporated milk rather than regular milk. And then the third thing is to use eggs in the sauce.
In a way, what you're really doing is making a custard. Cheeses with the cornstarch, the hot sauce, and the mustard. Don't watch. 1 stick of butter. Homemade blue box mac and cheese.
Really, really creamy stovetop mac and cheese.